How to buy Amazon Prime. Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can buy Amazon Prime. So in order to buy Amazon Prime, first thing first, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service. Now then, to begin with, first of all, open up a browser. Now you do not need to use an application while buying a subscription. So all you have to do is just type in amazon.com/Amazon Prime. Make sure that you're already logged in with your Amazon account. Then it's going to direct you to this page where you can go ahead and select start your free trial 30 days. Once you do that, it's going to take you to this kind of interface where you need to go ahead and select a membership. So where you can go through it, and first of all, it's going to ask you to add a payment method. Now remember that when you're purchasing an Amazon Prime for the first time, you do not need to pay any amount. All you have to do is just provide in your credit card details or your debit card details, and then you need to add a billing address for the confirmation and click on try Prime. As soon as you do that, it's going to take you to the other interface where it's going to ask you to select some sort of statement and all that, and click the submit button, and that's how you can buy Amazon Prime. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.